Welcome again to Somerset Place. Today we're focusing on the 1992 archaeological excavations, which was the first step toward reconstructing buildings in the former enslaved community. At the time, site manager Dorothy Sproul Redford and the Somerset Place Foundation, Inc. pushed for more archaeology so that the site could present a comprehensive and inclusive narrative of plantation life. As Redford told the Daily Reflector, reconstructed slave dwellings, quote, will give people something visible that will let people know plantations are more than just big houses. With a $5,000 grant from R.J. Reynolds Tobacco Company, a small archaeological crew from East Carolina University came to Somerset Place in the summer of 1992. Professor David Phelps, project supervisor John Bird, and ECU students Dean Owens and Keith Lane. Their goal was to excavate a supposed slave dwelling along the street that William Tarleton uncovered in 1952. You can learn more about his archaeology in the video linked at the end of this episode. Instead, however, the archaeology team unknowingly excavated the slave kitchen building, seen here. They only removed the topsoil, starting with a 10-foot by 52-foot trench and expanding to a large block encompassing the whole structure. The crew focused mostly on excavating structural features like the brick chimney and foundation piers, but they also uncovered many artifacts, as reported by the Virginia Pilot. Quote, an assortment of iron items, a doorknob, a hinge, and axe head. Gradually, they pieced together a pottery jug from shards. They determined the building was 20 feet by 25 feet with a large chimney on the northern edge. In the end, the 1992 archaeological excavations shed more light on the lives of enslaved persons at Somerset Place, making the digs an important part of the site's shifting interpretation under Dorothy Redford. But more work was needed to be able to reconstruct the built environment of the enslaved community, and we'll cover the subsequent archaeological excavations in our next videos. While you wait, please subscribe to our channel so you'll stay up to date with our latest videos. And until next time, thanks for tuning in.